Freshmen, your Quarter 3 Naviance assignment is to simply save careers to your Naviance portal. Let's get started with logging in with Clever using your laptop login and password. Taking you to your Clever portal, find your Naviance icon. That will take you to your Naviance student homepage. Scroll down to your important to-dos and tasks, and you're going to look for the task that says Add Careers to My List. We're going to click on that, taking us to our student planner. Find that pink arrow, go all the way over to the hyperlink that says Add at least 3 careers to your list. You can look up careers a couple different ways. If you already have an idea of what you want to be or something you want to look more into, you could type in simply what it is, and it'll give you a list of options related to the word you put in there. So if I wanted to be a dental hygienist, I could click. It'll give you an overview of the description, and if that is what you're looking for, you're going to click favorite, which will add it to your favorites. Okay, so we could go back and say we're interested in construction. It can give you a list of related options. If you don't have an idea, but you know construction is something you want to do, you can click on any of these and it'll give you a description overview. It can also give you related occupations below that you may want to look into and related majors that you could attend college to receive a degree in. So if construction managers is one you want to do, go ahead and add that favorite. And another way you could look, if you scroll down, you could find clusters and pathways. So if I was interested in, let's say, information technology, it could give you a couple categories to take a look. If you read through those and you say, nope, that's not for me, select another category. This is a good way to explore careers that maybe you have never heard of or thought about. So we'll go ahead and choose one more category. How about design and pre-construction? So if you read through this, doesn't really sound like you want to do what that says, take a look at related occupations. Let's say we would like to be architectural drafter. Take a look at that. If you like what you see there, click the favorite, and you've added 3 careers to your Naviance portal, which is all you need to do for the Quarter 3 assignment. Once you've completed that, if you click on your home, you should scroll back down to your important to-dos, and you don't see the task assigned anymore. So you have successfully completed your task by adding 3 careers to your portal.